Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Todoist and Gmail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Todoist account on your preferred browser, then log in if you haven't already. Once the login process finishes, you'll be directed to Todoist dashboard, where you can access all the main features and settings. Now, to integrate Todoist and Gmail, navigate to your left side menu. From here, you'll see several Todoist tabs and functions. Start by clicking on Help and Resources. This will bring up an option window above, and from there, click on Add Integrations. An integration window will appear, giving you access to all the apps and services you can connect with Todoist. Next, look at the top part of this window and click on the Browse tab. This will display a list of apps that are available for integration. Now, for easier navigation, look for the Collections section and click on See All Collections. You'll now see 6 different categories that organize integrations by use case. From these categories, look for and click on Tame Your Teamwork. Within this category, you'll see the Chrome and Gmail app listed. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be directed to the app's overview page. This page provides details about what the integration does and how it can help streamline your workflow between Todoist and Gmail. Now, simply click on Add, and Todoist will automatically be integrated with your Gmail. Do note that you might also be prompted to log in with your Gmail account before the integration process begins. If that happens, simply enter your email and password when prompted, and the integration will complete. This connection allows you to quickly add tasks to Todoist directly from your Gmail inbox, making it much easier to manage your emails and to-dos in one place. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Todoist with Gmail, giving you a more efficient way to handle your tasks and emails together. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.